Welcome to MotorMav. Today in this video, we will know about the reasons, symptoms, and fixes for P0013 Chevy Malibu. The reasons can be inoperative ECM, control circuit or wiring of oil control valve, damaged oil control valve or VDT solenoid or camshaft position actuator, and engine oil sludge. And the symptoms you might face are low mileage, engine light is on, rattling noise from the engine or engine performance decrease, and difficulty in starting the engine. Now, we will know the solutions. For inoperative ECM, ECM needs repair, and this will erase the code from the module and have a test drive. For control circuit or wiring of oil control valve, need to visit a professional to do some electrical troubleshooting. For damaged oil control valve or VDT solenoid or exhaust camshaft position actuator, replacement of OCV is the main solution for this code. Change the OCV, then reset the code, and have a test drive. Finally, for engine oil sludge, a regular oil change of engine oil can refrain you from this kind of trouble. Thanks for watching our video. Visit our page MotorMav to read this blog in detail. And do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.